I feel like my life has taken a turn. I'm heading down a road I've never been on before. Nothing is familiar. The signs don't make sense. Do I get off the road, or do I keep riding? Do I go alone, or take others with me?
I'm tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface.